Hi viewers, welcome to Excel tutorial hub. In this video, we will learn about the DMAX and DMIN function in Excel. Let's first start with DMAX function. The DMAX function is used to find the maximum value in a specific field or column within a database or a range of cells that represents a database. It stands for database max. Let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here you can see that I have already created a table with the student name, subject and score. Suppose we are looking for the maximum score of math subject in this database. So for that we need the DMAX function. So let's apply the DMAX function. Type is equal to type DMAX, open parenthesis, highlight the database, type comma, now double quotes, type score, we are looking for score, type double quotes, type comma, now criteria is math subject in our case, so highlight the subject math and close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that we have found the maximum score in this database by applying the DMAX function in Excel. Now let's move toward the next subject. For the next subject we need the same formula. So for that we need to type here is equal to type DMAX, open parenthesis, highlight the database, type comma, type double quotes, we are looking for score, so type score, type double quotes, type comma. So this time we are looking for science subject, so highlight the science subject and close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that we have found the maximum score of science subject in this database. Now let's move toward the DMIN function in Excel. The DMIN function in Excel is used to find the minimum value in a specific field or column within a database or a range of cells that represents a database. It stands for database min. So let's walk through the function with the help of this table. So here we have the same table. Now let's apply the DMIN function to find the minimum score in this database. So for that we need to type here is equal to type DMIN, open parenthesis, highlight the database, type comma, we are looking again for score, so we need to type double quotes, type score, type double quotes, type comma. Now criteria here is again subject math, so we need to highlight subject math and close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that we have found the minimum score in this database using the DMIN function in Excel. Now let's move toward this other subjects. So for that we need to type here is equal to type DMIN, open parenthesis, highlight the database, type comma, type double quotes, type score, type double quotes, type comma, highlight the criteria which is subject science in our case and close parenthesis and press enter. So you can see that we have also found the minimum score in science subjects by using the DMIN function. So that's how we can use the DMAX and DMIN function in Excel. Thanks for watching this video.